In this video, I want to talk about the most affordable two-stage snowblower on the market. This is the 212cc PowerSmart 24-inch two-stage snowblower. Now check this out. This thing has a metal augers down on the bottom. To the second stage, a metal auger as well. This thing is high quality, pretty high shoot here. 24 inches wide. This thing is freaking sick. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do a little quick installation video on this. Pretty easy to put together. It has instructions. Those are pretty straightforward, but I know a lot of people like to see videos of how to put these together. So let's do a quick video and then we'll go over a quick overview of this thing, give you all the details. So next we're going to install the discharge chute. There's already two pre-assembled bolts on this little frame. I'm going to take this little bracket, slide it right into there. Alright, then next you're going to install your rotation handle. That's going to slide right through this little hole. All right, and then next we want to be installing the skid shoes. Now these are fully adjustable. All right, so when you got this, it does come with some PowerSmart 5W34 stroke motor oil, and just go ahead and fill that up. It's going to take about 18 to 20 ounces, which is about a full quart. You do have a dipstick, so make sure you're checking your measurements there. Check your oil reading, and we're full, and just fill her up with gas. All right, so now that we've got her all put together, I actually put that thing together. It's been almost 2 months. End of January, still no freaking snow. I'm located in Utah. We traditionally have like at least 2 feet of snow that has stuck and stayed around at this point in January. Freaking nothing. It is absolutely freezing cold out here. I debated even coming out because it's so cold. Currently high of 22. I don't know what the temp is right now, but today it had a high of 22 and it's freaking cold. It's windy. Whew. But I'm absolutely shocked we have no snow, and I'm pretty bummed out at this point because I have not been able to use this thing yet. This thing looks like an absolute beast. All metal here. Check this thing out. It is a plastic chute, but with the 2-stage auger. I've had plastic chutes on another snowblower that I own, and I have had 0 issues with it. So I don't think this is going to have any issues. Let's check out some of the features here. So you've got a pull start here. Nice little pull start. This also has an electric start. You can take like a extension cord, plug it in there, hit the button, and then it will start up that way as well. Over here you've got your choke, your primer, and then your emergency stop here. 212cc gas powered engine. This thing is a tank. The tires are massive, really good tread on those. This little lever here controls the direction of the chute, and then this little lever controls the angle of the chute there. Pretty easy to do and convenient. And then you've also got a 6-speed forward propel here, self-propelled, and then you've got 2-speed in reverse. This thing's pretty sick. And so just to show you that this thing is going to run, let's go ahead. Let's primer up a little bit. That's what I call first pole power. got a two-stage auger system that is completely metal, solid metal hubs. This thing is built super well. I have no doubts that this thing is going to perform really well. We've had snow forecasted a couple weeks ago. We got like forecasted for 3 inches, and I was super hyped to come out, get this thing into some use. 3 inches of snow, I was like, all right, we'll take it. Not much, but I'm gonna use the snowblower anyways, just because I want to freaking use it. But I think we got like maybe 1/8 of an inch, just enough that I could come out with my little leaf blower and kind of blow off the dusting of snow. Definitely not enough to use the snow blower, so I was pretty upset. So I'm hoping we can get some snow soon so I can check this bad boy out. One other feature that this thing has is it does have really bright LED lights here. So if you're using this at night, you can kind of shine on to the area, your work area, so that you can see pretty well. But this thing's pretty sick. I love it. Starts up, first pull, you can see that was the first pull since I have actually put this thing together about 2 months ago, and first pull, started right up. So this thing's sick, guys. Check it out. I'll leave a link down to the description below. You can check this thing out for yourself. But like I said, this thing is probably the most affordable snowblower on the market, especially given that it's a 2-stage. This thing's pretty sick. It also comes with a nice little shovel chute in case you do get clogged up in there, but I honestly don't foresee any issues with that. So pretty stoked to hopefully check this out this season. If I do, you'll definitely see another video on this. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.